All right, folks, today we're making an absolutely mouth-watering roasted beef sandwich. Simple ingredients, big flavours, let's get to cooking. First, grab a couple of fresh beef fillet and give them a good hammering. This breaks down the fibres and makes it extra tender. Now, drizzle some oil and rub it in on both sides. This helps lock in those delicious juices while cooking. Time to season. A good pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Simple but so important for bringing out that deep beefy flavour. Let's fire up the pan. Medium-high heat, a good chunk of butter and some garlic. Carefully place the beef fillet into the pan and let it sear. Just listen to that sizzle. A little touch of rosemary. This adds a deep, earthy aroma that takes the beef to the next level. Once it's halfway done, go ahead and slice it into bite-sized chunks. This helps it cook faster and soak up all the flavours. Don't let those delicious pan juices go to waste. Toss in some diced onions and let them caramelize. This is where the magic happens. Mix in the roasted garlic. This is smelling incredible. Now, back in goes the beef. Let it cook through until it's tender and juicy. We want every bite to be perfect. And here comes the best part, cheese. Let it melt over the beef, coating everything in rich, gooey goodness. Now let's toast some bread. A little butter, and a light golden crisp, pure perfection. Time to build this beauty. Start with fresh, crunchy lettuce. A couple of juicy tomato slices. And of course, a good spread of mayo. And now, the star of the show, our juicy, cheesy roasted beef. And there you have it, a rich, savoury, insanely satisfying roasted beef sandwich. Simple, delicious, and ready to enjoy. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty creations.